In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Since I'm working with smartphones almost every day, I always recommend to set up screen lock. That's because, thanks to it, your phone will be protected even if someone will get to it. So to set it up now, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Don't worry, I tested it before recording, so I can assure you it will work. After tapping on Security and Privacy, you need to scroll again and click on this section, Device Unlock. Then tap on Screen Lock over here and pick one of those login methods: swipe, pattern, PIN or password. I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever. After you will click on it, all you get is this animation that will make you swipe up to access your smartphone. The most secure one is password, but most people go with pattern or PIN. So pick one of those and create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just click clear at the bottom left corner and create it correctly. Then, when you're sure of your choice, you can tap on Next at the bottom right corner to repeat your login method in order to confirm it. Select Confirm. And last but not least, answer this question by choosing one of those options. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!